Hi, I'm doing a review on this torque wrench at Amazon. It's a pretty good little torque wrench. I used it to torque the connecting rods for the crankshaft, the 33 foot-pounds. But this is the set it comes with. And one thing I found really unique in it is that I've gotten away from and my other stuff. But this is a spark plug socket, and it's really important when you do a spark plug to make sure that you don't break the spark plug. And this one has the magnetic in the end of the spark plug. It's magnetic. Some of you might remember that they usually have rubber, but this is kind of like the best invention ever. But it has a magnetic holder in there, which is a lot easier. You're not forcing it over the plug, and it releases it real easy. And you see its intention is that it doesn't break the ceramic here on the spark plug. So that was really nice. It comes with a 14 millimeter one too, which I think Ford does a couple of blocks that came with 14, but I think they got away from that. All the upgrades are 16 millimeter or 5/8, but that's this here, and it comes with a small assortment of those are torque sockets. But it did pretty good. I had to check it yesterday. That 33 foot-pounds. I checked it with my big snap-on torque wrench, and it's accurate. But 33 foot-pounds, and I can't use torque the heads because these are 100 foot-pounds. When I finish this, I'm building this engine. But it's pretty nice little set. I like it.